Such a cute little outline of a cat. I'm going to do the background first. I've mixed up some permanent rose, some phthalo blue, phthalo green. I'm going to make sure that the rose and the green don't touch, because if you mix a red and a green together, it makes a brownish gray. So I'm going to make sure it's separated by the phthalo blue. So I'm just going to start painting here. Just dropping in these colors and letting them blend however they want to blend on the paper. Let's get some of this phthalo green in there. Get back to the phthalo blue. You can use any colors you want. Just be aware of the colors that are opposite on the color wheel, because if they touch, they will create a neutral color. And you may not want that, or you might. Got on the ears some, that's okay. That's so groovy looking. I love the different shades there. So we're going to let this dry. Okay, it's dry. So I added some tape here. Since I'm working in a sketchbook, I did tape a border around here so I have a crisp lines. But the paint or the paper started warping a bit, so I just taped it in a couple of areas. Okay, it is dry, so I'm going to do the same thing again using the same colors kind of in the same area, because I want it a little bit more vivid in the background. I want bright. So I'm just kind of following my original colors. I'm going over the word meow because I'm going to use a pen, or use several pens, I think. On that. Oh yeah, that's looking more like what I want. Add this phthalo blue and end with some permanent rose. Okay, much brighter. That's more what I was looking for. Okay, so let this dry. Okay, the background is dry. Turned out so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to work on the cat. So of course it's going to have a little pink nose. I'm using permanent rose here. Little pink nose. And the ears, I'm thinking of cucumber. Got kind of pinkish, that's a little purple. It mixed a little too much. with the blue on my palette. So I'm just going to dab it up. It comes up mostly. Okay, make a new puddle over here. There we go. I love how it looks when it mixes on the palette. Okay, here we go. We've got some permanent rose. I'm going to take a damp brush and just kind of let it go where it wants to go. Now the glasses, what color do I want the glasses? I don't know yet. So I'm just going to do the frames. The frames are going to be, let's see, let's do some phthalo green frames. Very vivid. Those are some wild looking frames. That is so cute. Okay, I'm going to have to let that dry and then I'll do the lenses of the frames. Okay, for the color of the cat, you could use whatever color you want. I'm going to use the colors of my cucumber, which on this side is like a burnt sienna. Just drop some in and then kind of smooth those edges out. Just drop some more. There we go. That's cucumber. And on this side, I'm going to use neutral tint. She's got kind of a black little part over here. I'll add a little over here because there is some over there. Okay, and then a damp brush and just kind of smear it around. Let's do a little bit of the soft edge there. Let's do a little cleanup over here so it doesn't take over her ear. It looks like her. Okay, and so the glasses, I'm going to use phthalo blue. That's a lot of paint. I could lift it up, but I think I'm just going to let it dry and just look really, really dark. It may create some interesting lines, which is okay. lots of pigment there, lots of paint. Just so cute. Okay, I'm going to do a little wash down here of clean water, which isn't really clean. That's okay. It looks like it's that phthalo blue is very intense. It took over the water jar. Let's dab some up. I'm going to put just a little bit of this neutral tint to show under her chin or jaws or whatever you want to call it. So cute. I like how the green is coming off. This is just fun pop art, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I'll add a little darker here. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. I love this. I like the little blue tint that came from the water. Okay, let it dry. Okay, it's dry. This looks so cute. I just really love it. So I've got a white gel pen here, and I'm just going to outline the meow. And I think I may outline some of the, maybe the glasses. Yeah, just to have some little extra zing to it. Yeah, I think that adds to it. She is a white cat, so she would have these little white hairs sticking out. Oh, it's just so cute. Now, just to outline, I'm going on the outside of the black outline. Or trying to. Oh, it's just so cute. So very cute. I think I'm going to fill in here and make that stand out a little bit more. I will use phthalo blue. Oops, I went over. That's okay. Let's take a damp brush. I can't do detail very well. I don't have very good control due to me rupturing my tendon in my fingers a couple of years ago. But I do okay. I'm not going to let that keep me from painting. It doesn't have to be perfect. I can go over it with the white pen again later if I want. Probably will, because I've gone over the line several places. But that's okay. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. Go over that one more time, maybe with neon colors. We'll see. Okay, it's dry. So where I went over the lines, I'm just going to cover it up with this white pen again. Kind of went inside there. That's okay. Now I've got this Jelly Roll Bright Pink pen. I'm just going to outline on the inside. Oh, I like that. Okay, I am calling this done. Thank you so much for being a subscriber, and I hope that you take this outline and make your own cat into this pop art piece. To me, this is such a fun part, is removing the tape. I love the clean, crisp lines. So cute. There's my cucumber. Thank you again for being a subscriber.